Guys and girls, good morning. I hope by the grace of Allah you stay safe and healthy. The word today we will be watching is who. Who is a common English word to ask questions and queries in English language. Let us make a spoken practice with who as such. Who's he? Who's he? वो कौन है? He is a doctor. Simple answer may be he is a doctor. We can as well say he is a teacher, he is a singer, he is an artist. Here you can see on the whiteboard the next sentence is who's she? She is a physician. She is a teacher. Next word is who are they? They are boys, they are students, they are singers, they are politicians. Same as who's who? Mr. Albert. Mr. Albert is a great scientist. Who's in the meadow? Cows are in the meadows. Who's that? That's a fort. Look up here. Who's in the office? Mr. Roberts in the office. Who's in the room? Boys are in the room. Who's on the roof? A baby is on the roof. Who's at work? Everybody is at work. Who's out of the class? Mr. Badison is out of the class. Who's in the parlor? A few ladies are in the parlor. Who is in the meeting? Everybody is in the meeting. Who is first in the contest? Mr. Andrew is the first in the contest. Guys and girls, you see that we have expelled a few sentences in spoken English. You need to make a lot of practice, oral practice, and you have to express these sentences in a nice accent and a manner. This way you will be capable to learn spoken English. Now I hope that you will make a lot of practice with these short spoken sentences. Thank you. God bless you. See you next. Goodbye.